Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today's video is all about the series that I have going on called A Doll a Week. Alright, I'm filming a whole bunch of doll a weeks right now. Got them in my bag. Let's see who I pull out now. Oh, okay. So, these technically are not dolls, but they remind me of dolls. They're little salt and pepper shakers. Aren't they cute? So these actually were my mom's, and I need to ask her exactly how she got these. They actually came, when you look at the bottom, it says Western Germany on it, and I looked it up. And it says that vintage Western Germany monk salt and pepper shakers are collectible ceramic pieces produced by Goebel, featuring the Friar Tuck character. They were made between the 50s and 60s. These hand-painted brown robe figures usually stand about 2 to 3 inches tall and are marked West Germany, or with the B marks of TMK3. I don't see that on here, unless that's what that is. That may be what that is. So I think these actually came from my aunt. My mom's, actually she was my mom's aunt. She's my great aunt. Her husband was in the service, and they did a lot of traveling, and they did spend some time in Germany. And I remember one year, Aunt Alice, she had brought all of us girls a gift, and I have a feeling that's where these came from. Although I can't help but think I may remember them from earlier than that. But I mean, I was little. So my youngest sister, who would have been probably about 2 at the time, she got this little gnome. It was a little squeaky toy. I don't know whatever happened to that. But Tammy, my other sister, and I, we got these really cool little hanger, like you hang them on the wall, and it had a cord, and you would pull it, and they would go like this, and their legs would do that too. I may see if I do have it, but it's I'll have to get to it. So I'll try to take a picture or video of that and slide it somewhere around here. We got those, I know, from Germany. Mine was Porky Pig. And, nope, wasn't Porky Pig. I always think it's Porky Pig, but I think it was one of the 3 pigs. Because my sister got the Big Bad Wolf. I'm not sure if Tammy still has her Big Bad Wolf, but if she does, I'll put either a picture or a video here. But anyway, this is my doll of the week. Like I said, even though they're not dolls, they remind me of little dolls. Aren't they cute? Thanks for joining us today. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.